Welcome to STEM Time with Josh. Today we will be making parallel lamps using snap circuits. All you will need is two 3 long snap wires, two 2 long snap wires, one 1 long, the resistor, LED, lamp, and slide switch, along with the battery pack and batteries. So in order to make this circuit, we're going to start off by using both of our 3 longs, placing one parallel with the battery pack like so, and then lining up one with the middle like so. After that, we're going to get our resistor, making sure it's lined up like this, flowing this way. Place it right there. Then we're going to get our LED, making sure it's going this way as well. Place that right there. Afterwards, we're going to get our lamp, making sure it's going the same way. Then our slide switch. Then all that's left is our 2 longs, so we're going to place one right here, connecting that. And then we're going to need our 1 long on the bottom of this one, so we can connect to the battery. So when I turn this switch on, both the lamp and the LED will light up, like so. Now, if one were to be broken or removed, like so, the other will stay lit. And watch, I'll do it with this one. You see? So the other one's still lit. The reason for this is because they're wired in parallel. So if one's removed, the circuit isn't cut off. The circuit still flows through either one. So an example of this is like the lights in your house. If a bulb is broken on one lamp, the other lamps aren't going to be affected because of that one. So that's it for today's episode. See you later.